All right, here we are to talk more about circles and intersecting lines. We learned previously that when two lines intersect with the circle on the circle, it's an inscribed angle. And in the previous lesson, we learned what to do when they intersect inside the circle. And today we're going to talk about what to do when they intersect outside the circle. So when they're intersecting outside the circle, there's three variations that can happen. One, we can have a secant and a tangent. We can have two secants, or we can have, let's do green, two tangents. And in every case, in every single case, intersecting the angle intersects the circle, creates two arcs. Here, 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 and here, here, and here. So let's call this angle 1, B, C, D. And regardless of how it intersects, here we have the measure of angle 1 is going to equal 1/2 arc CD minus arc AB. Now, if back here, when it was inside the circle, it was arc plus arc divided by 2. Here outside the circle, we have arc minus arc divided by 2. So let's look at an example here. So we want to find the measure of this angle, which we're calling x. And we know that the measure of angle x equals 1/2 the big arc minus the little arc. So here we have x equals 1/2 102, 178 minus 76 is 102, or x equals 51 degrees. Now let's take it a little more complicated. Here we have angle D formed on the outside of the circle with two tangents, and we want to solve. Well, we know that from the center C, to both tangents is going to be a right angle, and that's going to be radius r. So if we draw a line from the center C to D, we've created two right triangles, with CD being the hypotenuse. Now, we've learned in previous lessons that we can solve for this entire triangle. We can solve for this angle here, angle ADC, which then if we double it, becomes this angle here, which gives us an information to find the arc here, and then the arc here. Because 360 minus arc AB is going to equal arc AWB. And then we can take arc AWB minus arc AB, and that will equal 2 times angle D. So now there's lots of different ways we can deal with angles inside, outside, or on the circle. And for right now, we are